Too many grill tools look interchangeable. Start with the Grill Rescue for steam-assisted grate cleanup, unless cooking control matters more than maintenance. Choose by cooking job, grill format, and storage. For steam-assisted cleanup, choose the Grill Rescue Grill Brush. Dunking its pad in water creates steam against hot grates, while the replaceable head supports longer-term ownership. It suits grillers willing to build cleanup around a dedicated wet brush. But it costs more than disposable wiping materials, and grease can make the pad harder to clean. Skip it for greasy flat tops, the cheapest routine, or one dry scraper that handles everything. For one spatula grilling, get the Mercer Culinary Hell's Handle Fish Turner. Its thin, tapered stainless blade flexes under delicate foods but still supports burgers, vegetables, and larger transfers. That range makes it the practical choice when you don't want several specialized turners. The trade-off is shape. It isn't a broad, rigid burger flipper, and its blade can overwhelm a compact grill. Skip it when oversized foods demand a wide, stiff platform. For crowd-sized grilling, the Winco Heavyweight 16 Stainless Steel Utility Tongs bring reach without a premium position design. The scalloped ends give controlled grabbing, and the spring action suits repeated turning across batches of chicken, vegetables, or burgers. Their simplicity is also the compromise. There's no lock or hanging ring, and that 16-inch body needs more storage than everyday tongs. Skip them if your grill is compact or drawer space is already tight. For saucy grill cooks, pick the OXO Good Grips large silicone basting brush. Its mixed silicone bristles carry plenty of sauce and spread it across larger batches, making repeated glazing less fussy. It's especially useful for ribs or multiple chicken pieces. But the broad head sacrifices precision, and the handle isn't as long as some grill-specific alternatives. Skip it for tiny pastry jobs or if maximum distance from the grill is your priority. For diced vegetables, the Grillaholics Grill Basket replaces awkward skewers and foil packets. Its perforated surface contains chopped pieces while exposing more of them directly to grill heat. That's useful when vegetables are a regular part of the menu, not an occasional side. The basket takes up valuable grate area, and stainless steel may demand more scrubbing than non-stick cookware. Skip it for mostly large vegetables, extremely limited grill space, or a non-stick preference. For charcoal batch cooking, the Weber Rapidfire Chimney Starter handles a substantial fuel load. Its roughly 6-quart chamber, generous airflow, and 2-handle arrangement fit full meals and longer sessions better than tiny cooks. You get a focused charcoal tool without pretending it's useful for every grill. The downside is bulk between cookouts, and smaller loads won't use its capacity well. Skip it if you run a gas grill or need the smallest possible storage footprint. For kettle grate control, GrillFloss keeps dirty grate and charcoal jobs away from your food tongs. Its metal hook lifts rod grates, shifts coals, and scrapes around individual rods. That makes it useful for charcoal owners who adjust the fire during a cook. Cleaning is slow because every rod needs separate attention, and the hook doesn't suit flat cast iron surfaces. Skip it if you want fast, broad cleanup or don't regularly reposition grates and coals. For a serious kettle upgrade, the SnS Grills Slow and Sear Deluxe reshapes how a 22-inch kettle manages heat. Its half-moon basket creates distinct indirect and concentrated high-heat areas, while the reservoir supports longer cooking setups. It's built for dedicated kettle owners exploring indirect cooks, smoking-style sessions, and searing. But it's a premium add-on tied to that grill format. Skip it for casual grilling, another grill size, or simple coal containment that cheaper barriers can handle. It's simple. Grill Rescue cleans, Mercer flips, Winco handles batches, OXO bastes. Grillaholics holds vegetables, Weber starts charcoal, GrillFloss manages kettle hardware, Slow, and Sear creates heat zones. Before buying, check your grate style, grill dimensions, available cooking area, storage space, and whether cleanup requires another tool. Start with grill rescue if grate maintenance is the problem. Switch by the job, flipping, batch handling, glazing, vegetables, charcoal lighting, kettle control, or heat zoning. Buy only what matches your grill and routine. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.